An update on the story we brought you yesterday about a chicken farm that has neighbors complaining about the foul sights and smells.
Rolly Hoyt picks up the latest on this THV 11 investigation for us tonight. Rolly?
Brooke and Faith, you remember Tanya Motorzitsky made the trip down to Tina Farm in Cleveland County yesterday. Neighbors have been sharing pictures of dead animals and waste that they could see from their property. At least one person complained to the State Department of Environmental Quality. Well, that agency reached out to us this morning. It turns out they did send an inspector to this farm earlier this month. In a document in the DEQ database, that inspector reported finding puddles of water flowing through chicken litter and determined that runoff threatened a stream on the property. She directed the person listed as the farm's co-owner and the workers there to move the litter to a better storage location, and she saw them fill the puddles with dirt to stop the runoff. You can see we've got a shot of it here coming up. Tanya did find that dirt in place, apparently doing its job. Now, DEQ indicated they hadn't any other complaints from that property, and the report didn't find any dead animals, but we still have questions. We've asked the State Agriculture Department to look into Tina Farm's permits, and we have questions for Tyson Foods. You can see they've got a sign right up front, and we want to know what their status is. We'll let you know when we find out.